first fucking shot and it goes in. Pick up the ball. Why is it a pink football, you bender? That is first touch. Podolski got an assist. And Valencia got, yeah, play the fucking time wasting game, yeah. Sick one. I'm going to play with one hand. I don't even care. Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on. Oh, maybe not. No. Yeah, alright, cool, let's go. Come on, no, fuck, get out! Sir, yeah, we like this, it's like watching Arsenal. But it's not. And then we're going to play with Valencia. Go on! Yeah, dickhead. Yeah, come on, yeah. Can you fucking do what? I want you to celebrate. Go on, yeah, you lost it now, haven't you? Oh, kissing. Yeah, got no. Let's go. Yeah, we love that. Let's go, Hernandez. Okay, no, let's not. Yeah, let's do it. Come on, let's go. Yeah, we like that. We're going to stand still, we're going to mug you off. And then we're going to go back out again. And then we're going to go cross it in. We love that. Yes! If I miss that, if I hit that over, I would shout on someone's face. Why are you not sprinting? What goes through your mind? Do you want to lose? What are you doing? Yeah, go on, turn and shoot it. Fuck, cunt. Yeah, you wanted the free kick, didn't you, beat yourself up? Yeah, but nah. Slot! Oh, for fuck's sake! Move towards